Daddy
and
Kittens!
Stop. Repeat after me. Pony, horse, goat, deer, dog, duck, bird,
Pony, pony, what do you see?
I see a horse looking at me.
Horse, horse, what do you see?
I see a goat looking at me.
Goat, goat, what do you see?
I see a deer looking at me.
Deer, deer, what do you see?
I see a dog looking at me.
Dog, dog, what do you see?
I see a duck looking at me.
Duck, duck, what do you see?
I see a bird looking at me.
Bird, bird, what do you see?
I see a kitten looking at me.
Hello! Today we'll make 3D horse picture. To make 3D horse picture, we need colored of papers. Blue, white, gray, and brown. We need 2 eyes. We need black thread. We need ruler. We need eraser, just in case. We need pencil. We need glue. We need scissors. Don't forget, you cannot use the scissors if your parents are not around. And we need double-sided sticky tape. Ready, steady, go!
Sponsored by IQ English.